Imagine this, you're sitting in your backyard enjoying a quiet morning coffee. Then suddenly, or you may prefer this. That's the beauty of a battery energy storage system. Clean, quiet, and seamless. Batteries operate silently and produce zero emissions, unlike generators that are noisy and pump harmful greenhouse gases into the air, polluting both the environment and your peace of mind. When a power outage occurs, batteries react instantly within milliseconds, ensuring seamless energy supply. Generators, on the other hand, often take several seconds to minutes to start, causing unnecessary disruptions and downtime. Batteries eliminate fuel dependency. You don't need diesel, propane, or endless trips to refuel. Paired with solar panels, batteries become a perfect combination, providing a continuous power supply even if you lose grid connection for days. No need to wait for a propane truck to roll into your driveway. It's the ultimate off-grid solution when the zombies come. Maintenance is minimal. With no moving parts, batteries require far less upkeep compared to generators, which need regular fuel refills, oil changes, and wear and tear checks. Generators can also fail to start or malfunction when you need them most. Most importantly, batteries are smart. Once set up, they run automatically with intelligent AI strategies. It's a true hands-free technology. You won't even realize it's working. You can also monitor and control your energy system remotely through a mobile phone. Check power generation, track load conditions, and even monitor EV charging, all from the palm of your hand. Its energy management is made simple, convenient, and intelligent. Batteries are scalable too. You can easily adjust your system up or down based on your energy needs, while generators are fixed and require significant space. Beyond reliability, batteries offer a financial advantage. They can store energy during low-demand periods when electricity is cheaper, discharge it during peak times, reducing your energy costs. Generators simply can't provide this level of savings. And let's not forget sustainability. By reducing carbon emissions and integrating seamlessly with renewable energy sources like solar, batteries pave the way for a greener, eco-friendly future. Generators reliant on fossil fuels only add to your carbon footprint. By combining efficiency, sustainability, smart operation, and lower costs, battery energy storage systems far outperform traditional generators, offering the clean, quiet, and reliable power solution that modern homes and businesses deserve.